Hey guys, welcome to the 10th lesson of this series. We hope you are excited. Today's new lesson is based on a new Taal. It has 8 Matras and the breakup is pretty simple, that is 4/4. The name of the Taal is Kenerwa. Now it's time to go and have a look into the lesson. But before we go there, if you are new to this channel and like the content we post, then go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you will not miss any updates when we upload a new video. Let's get started. In today's lesson, the tempo will be 90 bpm. The pitch will be B2. In today's new lesson, we will teach you how to play the Alankar in Vilambit lay, that is at slow speed, and Madhya lay, that is medium speed, and Dhrut lay, which is at fast speed. Now, let's look at the Alankar which we are going to learn today to play it with the harmonium. These Alankars are very important, therefore kindly focus on to it. You can note down in your notebook too. At first, Vilambit lay. Ascending order, and descending order. Let's see how does it sound when we play it in the harmonium. Well, that was Vilambit lay. Next up, Madhya lay. The Alankar for Madhya lay is same as Vilambit lay. Let's see how does it sound when we play it in the harmonium. Next up, Drutlay. Let's see how does it sound when we play it in the harmonium. Well, that was Drutlay. And with that, today's 10th lesson ends here. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. We hope you have learned a new thing today. And don't forget to drop a like to the video and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the next video with the 11th lesson of the Harmonium tutorial. To be notified when we upload the next video, go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.